Good morning, dear viewer. Welcome to the English speaking practice class. How are you doing? I am great. Thank you. Today we will talk about the weather and the rain cycle. Why rain is so much important to us and the environment. Let us go outside to watch actual rain. Yes, you are quite right. Okay, as you wish, dear, today our topic is rain. Rain is a natural phenomenon. It is an important factor to maintain the water cycle and environmental control. In a nutshell, we can say that the rain is an inevitable part of human life. Inevitable means unavoidable, inescapable, or certain. Just silently watch this weather. That is a keen observation. Here, I will try to improve your vocabulary which is related to rain. When it is very light rain, we call it drizzling. Raining is called for just a normal type of rain. When it becomes a little bit fast and heavy, we call it pouring. When it becomes intense and the greater than pouring, we call it lashing. For very heavy rain, when it rains, it has huge intensity and bucket ranging, we call it bucketing down, or in idiomatic expression, we call it raining cats and dogs. Such a lovely weather. I can feel a pleasant breeze is blowing there. It is a heavy rain with thunder. Yes, this is quite right. There are many idioms related to rain in English language. Each idiom describes some meaning or expression, and it will help you to spice up your language. Now, speak these idioms and their meaning as they will appear in the dialog box. Fantastic. You have such a good grip on idiomatic expressions. Now let's enjoy this beautiful weather for a while. I remember when I was a child, I read a poem, The Rain by W.H. Davis. The couplet is still mesmerizing, which goes like this: I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on the top, giving the poor beneath drop after drop. So, we will end it like Bollywood dialogue that goes like this: Now the weather is clear. If you and I have any connection, then the next time it rains, we both will meet automatically. Now, I hope we will meet again in our next video of the English speaking class. Enjoy this illustrious weather.